Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. Today I'm in Zurich and I'm in a hotel, and check out the wall. Look, see the clouds? Isn't that cool? And then those are the Alps. It's so funny. I want to go and discover a little bit more of Zurich. I was here like 2 years ago and I actually did a video on it on my visit if you guys want to see it. And today, I don't know, I might go on a boat ride. First I'm gonna have lunch because I didn't have breakfast and I'm a little bit hungry. Even though Switzerland is in Europe, and nowadays we can basically go from one country to another and it's not considered roaming anymore, so I'm not charged these extra roaming fees. Switzerland is not part of the European Union, so when you hop on over to this country, you pay roaming fees. What I do to avoid roaming fees, and I said this in my other video, Zurich, is that I turn data exchange off. So I'm not tempted to use any apps or anything like that. And what I did was I downloaded a map from Google Maps, a map of Zurich, and like that I can access it without having to go into the internet. Okay, so I can access it offline, so you're not charged for that. Okay, and before I leave I always check the weather, so I know it's going to be about 20 degrees. It's about 70-ish degrees Fahrenheit. It's not going to be too cold, so I'm ready to go out the door right now. When I'm looking for a place to eat, I usually check TripAdvisor or Around Me. So I found this vegetarian place that they say is the oldest vegetarian restaurant in the world. So I'm gonna try it out. Not that I'm vegetarian, but I love vegetables and I love fruits. And I also love a big steak every once in a while, but I'm gonna try the vegetarian out. I'm not too crazy about going to places that are very, very popular, let's say, because it might be a little too touristy. So let's see. So it's really big. It takes up the whole block. Let's see.
So I'll keep it on $3.95, please.
Okay. Here you go. Okay, I've got a whole bunch of stuff. All vegetarian. This is vegetarian heaven. And then I have a ginger lemonade. Incredible. So the buffet is over there. And how does it work? Well, you get a plate, hot or cold, get your food, put it on the plate, they weigh it, you pay it, and then you sit down. That's how it works. They have so much to choose from. I highly recommend this place. It wasn't touristy. I really liked it. I would go back every day, really. It was really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna walk towards the water. I'm gonna go towards the the train station. I always get these confused. Airport? No. Towards the water, towards the lake. See if I can get a boat. So I don't even remember what I filmed when I was last here. I was here 2 years ago. I did finish my video here. I did recognize that I said goodbye here. So I was here. And I was also back there in the old town. Ooh, is that the boat I want to take? It's coming towards me. It's so pretty, isn't it? I love the cities in Switzerland and the mountains. This is a beautiful country. It really is. By the way, I'm at the Rodolf Brunbrücke. That's the name of the bridge. I'm here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go that way. I'm gonna cross the bridge first. Nice out. But the sun has gone away because it's 5 o'clock. By the way, I went to ask about the different boats that you can take here, because I've noticed that you have the little boat that I showed you before, and then you have boats that go along the lake Zurich. And I asked at the train station at the tourist information office, and they said they definitely recommend going along the big lake. Now, I don't have time to go today because the shortest cruise is an hour and a half actually, an hour and a half. And I have to meet somebody in an hour, so it doesn't give me enough time. But I will go there and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll show you the boats and I will show you the prices. I don't think it's very expensive actually, so I'll go there anyway, okay, to show you guys. That's the one. That's the other one. We don't want to take that one. That's what I was told. So we're gonna look for the other one. Sometimes it's easier to look at a map. So here's the train station, the Bahnhof. And I'm here at the Rathaus City Hall. And we're gonna go here. This is where the boats stop. And this is the lake. It's really big, it's huge. That's why you need time, plenty of time to visit. I do remember passing by here. I was here the last time I filmed Zurich, so it should be in my old video. But today we're gonna go over here. We're gonna check out the boats there. So there's one of the boats. The last boat out is at 7 o'clock. And the huge lake. So these are the times, the different routes you can take. So for example, at 1810 you have the short round trip that takes an hour and a half. And you have to go to gate 3. So it's not really expensive. It's $13.80, so not bad. And these are the all the different prices. So the 610 boat leaves from over there, gate 3, and so it's right there. Now I have to get back to the hotel. I checked my map on my phone that I downloaded on Google Maps, and actually I can walk there. It's only a few minutes to the hotel. Luckily, because I've been walking all day. So there's my map. I'm where the blue dot is, right there. And actually I'm going too far east. I have to go further, like a street further to the left. I'm going here where the botanical gardens are, so I have to, this is taking me too far to the right. I have to go more towards the left. I have to do a video on how to read a map. So the little dot moves as I walk, so you know if you're going in the right direction. I made it, I made it. There's my hotel. That's what maps are for, to find where you want to go. Okay, hoppers, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a great day today. I walked a lot. I certainly walked a lot, and I saw a lot of the city. I hope you enjoyed the little tour that we took today. I really enjoyed the vegetarian restaurant. I really liked it. I will definitely go to it again the next time I come here. I really enjoyed it. And I will also do the boat. There's so many things that you could see here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and who knows where. See you, bye.